Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World and Joso Dav. This video won't be long at all. We're gonna run in and out of the mall. As y'all know, it's Bred toe week. So we're gonna go in here and get our check-in. I'm also gonna try to do a little screen recording. Try to make it real quick for any of y'all that might be new to the Foot apps. Y'all can learn how to check in at the store, get your extra minute. All right, I'll holla at y'all. Walk in the Foot Locker. I'm gonna flip this around in a minute so y'all can see how to do your check-in in store. Give y'all a little quick glance at what's on shelves still. I'm not gonna make this long because I just did the pickup vlog for the Black Cement 3s the other day, but it's just, so nothing new has came out since those. Matter of fact, I can see if let's see if they're in here. Let's see if they're sitting days later. Let's see if they got any. I doubt it. I'm pretty sure they sold out. I'm just glad we copped our pair. Same things, same things. I don't see them. I don't see them anywhere. Nope. When should I make my next cop though? I think I'm gonna actually order something. That's my next cop outside of these Bred toes. Yeah, I don't see anything sitting. The only thing still sitting is these olive 13s. I don't even see the 9s that were in here before. So maybe they finally sold out. All right, let me get to the check-in. Now, as y'all can see, I am in Foot Locker and I got my Foot Locker app pulled up. See, it got 2 days left, 7 minutes, 19 seconds, and I have until tomorrow at 6 p.m. to make any adjustments or edit anything. As far as sizes that I select, the stores that I select. If you select the stores, it'll show you the closest stores to you that will be getting the sneakers. Right now, I only have 3 stores here in Columbus that will be getting these at the 3 Foot Lockers closest to me. So now if I hit Earn Head Starts as a Platinum VIP, I'm already got 9 minutes. Now once I'm in store, if I hit check in store, it'll ask me to check in. I hit the check in button, and if you go somewhere near the middle of the store, there's a beacon. Once you hit your Bluetooth has to be on, I believe. And if you go towards the middle of the store or close to the register or something like that, it should automatically pick up your phone. Bam, just like that. I wasn't in range, but I walked closer to the register. I got 10 full minutes. Now 10 minutes gives you a head start on anybody else that wants this shoe. It's not a guarantee that you'll get your sneaker, but obviously 10 minutes ahead of anybody else that's online on the app definitely helps. So that's where I'm at with it right now. I checked in at Foot Locker. I think I got one other spot to check in, and I'll hit y'all with that too. All right. Just to see when they're going. I stopped in Jimmy Jazz real quick just to see when they're gonna start their raffle on the Bred toes. And this is the first time I've seen these Westbrooks in person and have them in hand. I thought these were terrible. I wouldn't buy these unless I actually hooped. But these legit aren't as bad as I thought they were. Like these, it looked like a hooping shoe, but online, the pictures and everything, I was like, man, those are super whack. But I can't stunt. Those ain't bad. But Jimmy Jazz isn't starting their raffle until tomorrow. I think I'll be good. I'm gonna stop at one more spot. I'm gonna go over to Footaction and get my 10 minutes over there. I probably won't show y'all me checking in over there because I showed y'all already in Foot Locker. It's the same exact process. But yeah, those Westbrooks, man, you know what I'm saying? Let me see the price on them here at Jimmy Jazz. $125. Hey, if you a hooper, those ain't bad. Yeah, first store didn't let me get it in hand, but look at this leather, y'all. That's crazy. I'll be back in the building. I'll be back in here Saturday to cop mine. Huh? I just had to put it to my nose. Y'all know how them ones smell. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little quick, man. Shout out to my man down here, man, and Footaction, man. Letting me. You see what he got on foot. He ain't playing around out here, even at work. All right, my man. I appreciate you. I ain't gonna put his face on cam, man, but I appreciate bro and Footaction, man. This bipolar weather here in Columbus, man. Yesterday was 72 degrees. Now I'm out here in my wheats. I'm out here in the Thames today. So 72 degrees one day, 40 degrees the next day, and raining. So I appreciate y'all rocking with me, man. That was a quick little, I don't want to call it a mall vlog, I guess you can. It was just me showing y'all how to check in. I guess I can flip y'all back around. So yeah, that was just a little check in at the mall. Shout out to Footaction, man. Shout out to my man in Footaction, giving y'all a little quick exclusive, man. That leather is crazy. I can't wait to be back up here on release day to get my pair. I'm gonna try to double up, and if not, as long as I get my 10.5, I'm good money. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all feel about that, man. How y'all feel about those joints? And let me know. Make sure y'all get y'all 10-minute head start. Y'all have to be at platinum status. I'm 10 minutes at both places, so I should be good on mine. OVE.